Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Ateen shaver, electric shaver for men. This is what you get. You get the core device, which is rechargeable. We get this charging cable, which looks pretty much like standard. On this side we have the USB-A, so we can charge it almost everywhere very easy. And then we have the different heads. That's the main device, of course, this 5-head thing, and it's very easy to apply. Just make sure that it's properly aligned before you push. You will easily realize when it's time to push this thing in, and then you press just a little bit here and then it goes easily into that. And to start, that's the button here to start, and when we just short press, you can see this lock here, and it goes automatically into a 3 seconds countdown when we keep pushing, and then it starts right away. And then from then on, with a short press, we can start and stop, and always it will show the amount of seconds we have been using this and what's the remaining time in minutes. So that's 90 minutes, which is a full charge. That's really good. And at the end, when we are finished, we can keep it running and holding it under the running water, under tap water, with everything, with all the heads. Also with this nose trimmer here, same thing. I've already been using that and it has been working really good. What's really important here with the nose trimmer or nose hair trimmer, that it's really strong, that it doesn't catch a hair and then is pulling like crazy. That didn't happen, so I think it's really working good. I have found some clippings, so that's good. We have also these openings here to dry. Here the sideburn trimmer. Yeah, this thing here is quite sharp, I can tell you. I mean, it's definitely cutting. For my taste, it's cutting a little bit too much. Of course, we have to align it like this, and here you can definitely feel it. So for my taste, it's a little bit too strong, but we have an alternate way. This head is actually intended for these combs here. Yeah, I think this is how it goes. Then we have these 3 different lengths: 3mm, 5mm and 7mm. It's very easy to apply this here, and we just click it here in the back, and then we can also use it like this and shave it. Then of course we have only these 3 lengths. There is nothing shorter. There's not like a 1mm or like a 20mm long. It's definitely nothing for long hair, but for short hair, beard and those things, it's working really good. And the good thing here is, yeah, we better remove that here. It's safer, and we push here to remove. It's really solid hold here. Yeah, what I recommend actually compared to the sideburn trimmer, it's easier or better or much comfortable to use this one here. It cuts exactly the same. I don't see any difference. I don't know why we have this sideburn trimmer. This one does exactly the same, and it's much more comfortable. I wouldn't use this thing, but apart from that, everything is working good. I've been especially testing this one here dry. It has been cutting already pretty good, and then I tried it with shaving foam and it worked even better. Of course, it's probably advised not to use too much foam, but it works really good. After that, I've been flushing it under running water. You can open this thing as well, so you have access. You can turn this thing counterclockwise to remove it. So here we are, and then we have access to everything. It's really easy to take it out and reapply. Just push it in and turn it clockwise, and it's already secured, and then put everything back. Just make sure that you're not pushing too hard here on these razors. I would try to maybe push in the areas where you have the plastic, but it doesn't look too sensitive. Actually, I don't think that we break this anytime soon, and we can see it's very flexible. Watch the thing here. So it adapts to most of the skin or like the face parts wherever we are. So overall, I think it's a really good thing. Also this lock, as long as we don't put it back into the lock, it will always work with a short press even after a week or so, but especially maybe if children are around, we can put it back into a lock with 3 seconds push again. And what's also good, that we have a solid stand, and it's even working with this large head here, so we can put it on a small place. So everything is really good, has been cutting good, nicely. Especially the one thing I can really recommend is the shaving with the shaving foam. That's definitely my favorite here, but overall everything really good. I think it's a good solid package, and so I can give you full recommendation on that. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.